you stuck with a house that's horrid, icky, or just plain hideous? Need to sell fast? We want to buy it. Go with Speedy. Let Speedy Home Buyers make you a fair cash offer for your unwanted house. We buy as is. We pay you cash. Settle fast. As little as 14 days. From Baltimore to D.C., we've been buying houses for over 15 years. Our offer is confidential. There's no obligation. Visit GoWithSpeedy.com today.